So here's the question. Is your home in need of some good spring cleaning? I think a lot of us would say yes. So here to motivate, Leen Atkins from Leen on Me Organizing, and I thank you for coming in today.
Thanks for having me again.
This is the time when people start realizing, oh, I got to get rid of everything.
Everyone thinks spring cleaning, so we want to kind of correlate spring cleaning and spring organizing together. So say we're going to start with our pantry. Let's get everything out of the pantry. There's your time to, repaper the shelves if you want, paint, do whatever, do your cleaning. But then before anything goes back in, check the expiration dates. Check is it stuff that you even still use. Like maybe you bought, a lot of times we buy things for parties, doesn't get used. If you don't think it's going to happen, take it to the food pantry before it expires.
Good point.
And then go buy your bells and whistles of things. Then go buy your products. Everyone wants to run out and buy the products before they organize. Wait till after so you know what you actually are going to need. The same thought process with your medicine cabinet. Get everything out. Check those expiration dates. I don't want to be putting sunblock on someone's.
Exactly.
No, I don't want to put it on myself, but let alone, a niece or nephew.
Child,
Yes, and have it be expired. And then just some fun containers. I brought a bunch of fun containers, all different price points. Some of these started at like $3 and, up to $30, $40, $50. So a lot of different price points for everybody. Same philosophy when you go into your clothing closets. So we want to take everything out. We don't want to just be like, I like this one, I like this one, I like this one. We're gonna pick them up. Just like Marie Kondo says.
Yeah.
Yep.
What is the line she says? If it doesn't bring you joy,
it doesn't spark joy.
Then
same thing. So
I'm
going to take it out and be like, do I even like yellow on me anymore? You know what I mean? Like, touch it. Is there stains? If it's old, let's get rid of it. Let's donate it. Put it in the rag pile, whatever you need to do. Same thing, this is another thing that I would say, do it in the spring because people forget about their socks, like the socks and underclothes drawer. Went in my drawer.
I can organize mine until I'm blue in the face, and then a week later, it looks destroyed.
Well, so you might need products then.
I think I do.
Yeah, so you might need something like this that's going to keep things together. But kind of same thing, like I went in my drawer, I'm like, you know what? I hate these. They go to the back all the time. Like, get them out. Like, free up your space for other things. So that's all, and the same thing. The same process, we want to get everything out, get in there, dust, clean, whatever we're going to do before we go back in.
Okay.
And think of spaces like the medicine cabinet, the linen closet, the spaces in your house, the nightstand drawers that get ignored all the time. Those are
collect everything.
Those are my spring cleaning spots because they don't get touched throughout the year. So linens, I always say, pull them out. It's the same thing with your shirt. You're not putting something on that you love. Don't go. We spend a lot of time.
They could be old, they could be stained.
Yes. We spend a lot of time on them. Let's make them nice for us. And I follow the rule of two sets of sheets for each bed in the house. One's on the bed, one can be in the laundry or, ready to go. We don't need any more than that.
That's a valid point, too.
Yeah. And then also, so this was just, I went into a random closet in the house, pulled this out of the drawer, and with the thought process, I was going to start getting it ready for the show. I'm like, nope, I'm going to do it here. So I pulled this out. When was the last time?
Wait, this is what it looked like when you just pulled it out?
Yeah.
It's already organized, Leen.
But when's the last time I used this? I use mechanical pencil. So go into those spots, really dig in and look at your stuff. I don't use paper that much anymore.
I could use these. You don't need them for the back of my dresses. So
for the back of your what?
The dresses, in case something doesn't fit right on air.
You know what I use these for too? I use these for cords. To wind up the cords, yes. Instead of if you don't have, a Velcro thing or whatever, a fastener. Same thing, do we need all these business cards?
Oh, yeah, that's a good thing to go through.
So go through them, put them in your phone or ditch them.
I know we got to get going, but last but not least, the shoes real fast.
Oh, this is just another thing. I always like to say, get things where you can actually view what you have in your closet. So I kind of did it with the pantry as well. We want to be able to see what we have, so we actually use it because there's nothing worse than the end of the season. You pull something out and you're like, oh, I forgot I had those. We all do it.
And it happens all the time.
So we want to see what we have is very important when you're picking your containers.
I always love when she's on, and I still want to go shopping with you and buy these because I have a field day already at the container store, let alone.
We got to do the work first, though.
I know. That's the part I don't like.
We got to do the work first.
Thank you for coming in. It's always a pleasure. Always good tips. So thank you.